Well, what it is. 1009A. Um. Oh. Let's not stab ourselves. Alright. Couple smacks. Ew. Yuck. Ew. Yuck. Well. Let's go rinse this off. Well, we cleaned it up. There was a couple caps that totally disintegrated, electrolytic caps. So, I don't know where the lid went. So, we're not going to worry about that. Yeah, we got a couple power lines. I put this, I got a Nintendo speaker. This piezo buzzer is gone. Half a millivolt, that's gone. Let's see, we need about three and a half. Let's see, we concluded that this should be positive. That should be the negative. That's my meter. So let's say the wire starts off connected. Oh, we get a blank. Oh. Well, this is like a center tap coil here, and it's running off to this transistor. That collector looks like we got, it's got a floating pin here. I think we got a little oscillator here because the piezo buzzer went straight to like this connection and that connection. Then we got this little microcontroller, and evidently this pin's going to this switch here, pulling it low. Well, actually it's pulling it down to whatever this pin is. And if the circuit breaks, it'll be pulled high again and set off the alarm. Yeah, not much going on here. There's a couple capacitors that rotted off. There's like zilch on the back. Century. I guess this is a passive device here. It wasn't soldered to nothing. Ferrite and a coil and a cap. This might be interesting to play with. Tie it to a shopping cart.